explaining about electric field intensity. So, what is electric field intensity? How to understand? Is it a vector or a scalar? What is its if it is a vector, what is its direction? What is the purpose? So basically, before going to this topic, electric field intensity, you must know what is electric field. What is electric field generally? Have you played with the magnets any time? Really, have you played with the magnets any time? If you take one magnet and take one iron piece, why this iron piece will be attracted to the magnet? Suppose see, this is one magnet, one small iron piece is kept nearer to that. It is in attraction. Why it will be in attraction? Any idea? That means no contact. How can be in a attraction? Means this property will be, one property of the magnet will cover the space. That property will bring this iron piece towards it. Understand or not? Same manner, if this is the charge, one kind of property will be occupied around the space. The space around the charge that filled with one kind of property, of electrical property, that space is called as electric field. Understand? This electric field, while you are going away, 1, 2, 3, while you are going away, that will decrease. Understand? This property of electric field, while you are going away from the charge, that value will decrease. Sir, I want to more clarity. For understanding, one example you can take it. Suppose if it is a candle, understand? Suppose the light around the space, the light will occupy. Suppose you are going away from 1, 2, 3 points. What will happen while you are going away from the candle, flame of the candle? The intensity of the light will fall down. Am I right? The same manner, the electric field, this is visible so that you can easily understand. Whereas this is invisible. The property around the charge is invisible, so that we have to take one representation where here the electric field is strong or weak. To get that knowledge, we will introduce one electric field intensity, one physical quantity. What is that? Suppose for example, if you put one test charge, Q0 is 1 coulomb unit positive charge. 1 coulomb unit positive charge. Universally we have to take 1 coulomb unit positive charge is the test charge. Suppose for example, it is kept at the position 1. The same test charge is kept at the position 2. It is kept at the position 2. Understand? Where you will get the force is greater, F1 or F2. F1 or F2. The force on the test charge is same. Where it is greater, at 1 or 2? You know very well. At 1 is greater than 2. The force at 1 is greater than force at 2. The magnitude of force at 1 is greater than the force of the magnitude of force at 2. This value is greater. Understand or not? Such a way, why here the force is greater? The influence or electric field created by this charge on this test charge is greater at this point. The field created by this charge at this point is greater, so that it is repelled much more than the 2. So such a way, if the force on the test charge, is greater, that point is stronger field. If force on the test charge is lesser, that point is weaker field. Such a way, electric field intensity is defined as the force on the test charge which is kept on the electric field. Understand? So what is that? How it is defined? The force on the test charge kept in the electric field. is known as electric field intensity, is known as electric field intensity at that point, Now that question, okay, we are very happy. Electric field intensity represents whether the field is stronger or weaker. How can you calculate? You put one test charge. If the force you can calculate because you know the distance between them, understand? If the force is greater, divide with the test charge, you will get electric field intensity. If this number is greater, that is a stronger field. If the number is lesser, that field is weaker field. So how to calculate electric field intensity? Understand? Yes, net electric field intensity is E net is equals to E1 bar plus E2 bar. I think you can understand. E1 bar plus E2 bar resultant of these electric field intensities at this point, that is equals to KQ1 by x square I plus KQ2 by R plus x whole square minus I. Since we assumed this point is the neutral point, therefore net electric field intensity is 0. Therefore this you can take KQ2 by R plus x whole square is equals to KQ1 by x square. So K cancelled together, x square Q2 by Q1 is equals to cross multiplication R plus x whole square by x square, that is equals to Q2 by Q1 is equals to whole square R plus x by x whole square or not? Any confusion? No matter. So Q2 by Q1, once the square root R plus x by x, therefore root over Q2 by Q1 is equals to R by x plus 1 beta divided with both of them. So once plus will come this side, this will be minus root over Q2 by Q1 minus 1 is equals to R by x. So x is equals to R by root over Q2 by Q1 minus 1. Like that, distance of the neutral point from the smaller charge will be x is equals to R by root over Q2 by Q1 minus 1. Keep in mind, like charges will be positive, unlike charges will be negative. Unlike means positive negative. क्या होता है? Negative. Positive. Negative. Positive. Like that, you can remember that the distance of neutral point. For example, I will give you. See, one example I will give you. What is the distance of neutral point if a minus 8 coulomb, and 2 coulomb are separated by certain distance 20 centimeter, at what distance the neutral point will exhibit? Simple. From where you are finding? That is important. From where you are finding? From 2 coulomb. If it is 2 coulomb, from 2 coulomb, just you can remember x is equals to R by root over Q2 by Q1 minus 1. Unlike charge will be minus 1. And keep in mind, nearer to the smaller charge. Outside and nearer to the smaller charge. Unlike charges, outside and nearer to the smaller charge. So x is equals to R by 20 centimeter by root over 8 by 2. Why not minus 8? You don't substitute here. Already because of minus you got this minus 1. So x is equals to 20 centimeter by root 4 minus 1. X is equals to 20 centimeter by 2 minus 1. X is equals to 20 centimeter. So at this, from here 20 centimeter you are getting the neutral point. From 8 coulomb, what the distance? 20 plus 20, 40. From 8 coulomb, that is R plus x. R is 20 centimeter, x you got 20 centimeter, total 40 centimeter. Distance of the neutral point from 8 coulomb is 40 centimeter, from 2 coulomb is 20 centimeter. Like that you can do. Watch and read twice and thrice. It is a good habit. Okay, you can do more. Thank you. Yes, we entered into the examples and applications of electric field intensity. See, look at here, electric field intensity, already you know that, away from positive charge and towards the negative charge, we are talking about point charges. So these are the examples. By studying these examples, you can understand how to take electric field intensity. You can develop step by step. All of a sudden we cannot develop here. By understanding the small questions and basic fundamentals, you can develop your knowledge. Are you getting my point? Shall we go for one small little put question? So we can go to that. There are two charges, Q1 and Q2 are two charges, like charges, are separated by certain distance r. We are finding the electric field intensity at the midpoint. So already you know that we are finding the electric field intensity at this point, since it is midpoint. Charge distance, electric field intensity basic fundamental is what? If it is positive, after some distance away from positive, kq by r square. If it is negative, what? Towards negative, kq by r square. But we don't take positive and negative in the formula. So anyhow, this is positive, this is E1, electric field intensity created by this charge at this distance. Charge distance, that electric field intensity E1 is equals to how much? Electric charge and distance we are finding at this point. Charge and distance, charge Q1 and distance r by 2, kq1 by r by 2 whole square. What direction? Away from positive, therefore you can take I. So similarly, this is also positive charge, this is also positive charge, away from positive, therefore this is also electric field intensity due to the second charge will be away from positive, therefore E2 bar can be taken as kq2 by r by 2 whole square. In what direction? This is negative x-axis, therefore you can take minus x. Therefore E net is equals to E1 bar plus E2 bar. That means kq1 by r by 2 whole square I plus kq2 by r by 2 whole square minus I. That means k by r by 2 whole square q1 minus q2 I think you can understand. Q1 minus Q2. So these electric field intensities are in opposite direction. That means subtracting each other. And one more thing. If you want to go for next example, this is unlike charges. If two unlike charges are separated by a certain distance, you are finding the electric field intensity at the midpoint. So is it positive or negative? Where you are finding the electric field intensity? We are finding the electric field intensity at this point. Is it positive or negative? Positive. Therefore, positive. This is E1. So E1 is equals to kq1 by r by 2 whole square. Kq1 by r by 2 whole square in what direction? Positive x-axis. Right? Is it positive or negative? Negative. Towards negative. Electric field intensity due to this charge towards negative. Therefore, E2 is equals to kq2 by r by 2 whole square. This is also positive towards positive charge. And one important thing I can tell you, here it is positive, we put Q1 positive. But this is negative. Even though it is negative, we are keeping positive. Why? Because while you are applying the electric field intensity, whether it is a positive or negative, you should put positive only. But the thing is that if it is positive, away from positive. If it is negative, towards negative. Like that you can take the direction. So positive and negative only helping for taking the direction away from positive towards a negative. But in the formula you should not apply. Therefore E net is equals to E1 bar plus E2 bar. Therefore K by r by 2 whole square. Both are in I direction. Q1 plus Q2 I. So like that you can determine the electric field intensity. Unlike charge, opposite. Like charge, in the same direction. I think you can understand. Okay? Right. Yes. we are going to second example, second discussion of the electric field intensity. So look at here, there are two things. We want to find the neutral point. There are two cases, like charges and unlike charges. So first, basically, what is the neutral point? The point where net electric field intensity is 0. Understand? The point where total electric field intensity or net electric field intensity is 0, that point is called as neutral point. Understand? Suppose if you take two like charges, look at here, two like charges Q1 and Q2 are separated by the distance R. Understand? So neutral point, I will give you the point. Suppose if you assume one point X, is it positive or negative? Is it positive or negative? Positive. If it is positive, what kind of electric field will give you? From positive charge away from positive, from negative charge towards negative, like that. So this is positive away from positive, E1. Understand? This is also positive. It gives the electric field which are in opposite direction. If these two equal and opposite direction, net electric field intensity will be 0. If it is X, this is R minus X. So E1 is how much? If it is X, KQ1 by X square in I direction. Electric field intensity given by the second charge. We are assuming this is neutral point. We are assuming this point is neutral point. So E2 is equals to KQ2 by R minus X whole square. In what direction? Negative X axis. Understand? So E net is equals to what? E1 bar plus E2 bar. So that value is nothing but KQ1 by E net is equals to KQ1 by X square I plus KQ2 by R minus X whole square minus I. Understand? According to the definition of neutral point, already we assumed this is the neutral point. We assumed neutral point. If it is the neutral point, the electric field intensity is 0. We are assuming that neutral point is existed in between them at X distance from Q1. Are you getting my point? Why? Because at somewhere else, electric field intensities are in opposite, positive, and this is positive. Two electric fields are in opposite direction. Somewhere else, this resultant electric field intensity is 0. These are equal and opposite. That point is neutral point. So we assumed that neutral point is formed at X distance. Therefore, first one is X square, second one is R minus X square. So net electric field intensity at neutral point. At neutral point, net electric field intensity is 0. Therefore, you can take 0 is equals to KQ1 by X square I plus KQ2 by R minus X whole square minus I. Therefore, KQ1 by X square is equals to KQ2 by R minus X whole square. So KK cancel. So therefore, R minus X whole square by cross multiplication. X square is equals to Q2 by Q1. So R minus X by X whole square, I am taking common factor. Q2 by Q1. So from that, R minus X by X is equals to root over Q2 by Q1. R by X minus 1 is equals to root over Q2 by Q1. Understand or not? So minus, if it goes that side, R minus X is equals to root over Q2 by Q1 plus 1. Understand? Therefore, X is equals to what? R by root over Q2 by Q1 plus 1. My dear, keep in mind, we are finding the neutral point from Q1. If you want to know neutral point from Q2, find X, distance from Q1. Total distance minus this distance, you will get the distance of the neutral point from Q2. Understand or not? I think you can understand. Go through twice. You can understand. If you want example, I will give you. One example I will give you. Suppose for example, this is 8 coulomb and 2 coulomb are separated by 20 centimeter. Find the distance of neutral point from smaller charge. Find the distance of neutral point from Find the distance of neutral point from smaller charge. Which is the smaller charge? Tell me, it is a small, which is a smaller charge? This is. So from that you can understand, distance of the neutral point from the smaller charge, let us say that is x. Understand, this is r minus x. Directly you can apply the formula x is equals to r by root over q2 by q1 plus 1. So x is equals to r. What is the total distance? 20 centimeter. You can keep centimeter because answer you will get in centimeter. Root over, this is q2, this is q1, because we are finding the distance of neutral point from smaller charge. This is q1, this is q2. From where you are finding, that you can call q1. It is not the matter big or small. So you can put, you find from smaller charge you are finding, that you say q1, right? So that is 8 coulomb by 2 coulomb plus 1. Therefore x is equals to 20 centimeter by root 4 plus 1, that is equals to x is equals to 20 centimeter by 3. So this is the distance of the neutral point from smaller charge. What is the distance from this charge? Total minus from 8 coulomb, total distance 20 minus x, that is 20 minus 20 centimeter by 3, that is equals to 40 centimeter by 3. So like that, from 8 coulomb you can find out like this, from 2 coulomb you can find like this. I think you can understand. Okay? Okay, better? Right. Yes. Yes, okay. We are finding neutral point between unlike charges. Just we completed like charges, now we are going to unlike charges. If it is unlike charges, entirely different. The formula may be similar, but the procedure you can see, you can understand much more things. Suppose for example, unlike charge, this is minus q1, understand? This is plus q2. Keep in mind, neutral point will exist always nearer to a smaller charge, almost nearer to the smaller charge, except some cases. This is r, okay? Suppose if you take in between them, this is negative, E1 in this direction, this is E2, electric field intensity created by the positive charge, both are in same direction. Can it be cancelled? Net electric field intensity, if they are in opposite direction, they can be cancelled. These are not in opposite direction, they cannot cancel. So if they cannot cancel, neutral point cannot exist. So neutral point cannot exist in between them. So let us assume neutral point is existed outside of the two charges at x distance. So this is negative. Electric field intensity by the first charge is E1. Electric field intensity by the second charge is E2. Why this is taken in this direction? Why it is taken in this direction? Since it is negative in this direction, since it is positive away from positive. So at what distance? If it is r, this is x, therefore this distance is r plus x. Are you getting my point? This distance you can take as r plus x. So then we can find electric field intensity of the first charge, negative charge at this point towards negative. E1 is equals to kq1 by x square. Sir, minus q1, nothing doing. Whether it is positive or negative, you should put positive only. And E2, electric field intensity by the second charge, E2 is equals to away from positive kq2 by r plus x whole square. In what direction? Away from positive, that is minus side. Therefore E net is equals to net electric field intensity E1 bar plus E2 bar. Understand? So E net is equals to kq1 by x square I plus kq2 by r minus x square minus I. So if it is the neutral point, we assume this is the neutral point. If it is the neutral point, net electric field intensity is 0. Therefore 0 is equals to kq1 by x square I plus kq2 by r minus x whole square minus I. So why it is taken 0? Why it is taken 0? Since it is the neutral point, we assumed that point is neutral point, we can take electric field intensity can be taken 0. Therefore kq1 by x square is equals to kq2 by r minus x whole square. Understand? So k cancel to there. R minus x square by x square is equals to q2 by q1. So r minus x by x whole square is equals to q2 by q1. So r minus x by x is equals to root over q2 by q1. Understand? So this value is x divide both of them. R minus x by 1 is equals to root over q2 by q1. Understand? So sorry.